Welcome to today's guide on securing your X account. If you're looking to take control of your online presence and ensure only trusted followers can see your posts, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps to make your account private in just a few taps. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon in the top left corner. It's the small circle featuring your picture or initials. Tap that icon to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. This option is usually near the bottom of the list. Tap it to open a new screen filled with account controls. Here you'll find the Privacy and Safety section. It's where X lets you manage everything from post visibility to message permissions. Tap it to dive into your privacy settings. Now, look for Audience and Tagging. This is your gateway to controlling who sees your content. Tap it, and you'll land on a screen with a critical toggle labeled Protect Your Posts. Finally, switch that toggle on. When it turns blue, your account is officially private. From this moment forward, only your current followers and anyone you approve in the future can see your posts. New followers will need your permission to access your content, and your past posts will automatically become private too. And that's it. Your X account is now locked down. Remember, this setting doesn't hide your profile entirely. People can still find you in searches, but your posts, likes, and media will stay exclusive to your approved audience. Take a moment to explore other privacy features while you're here, like adjusting who can tag you in photos or send direct messages. These small tweaks add layers of control over your digital footprint. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a safer, more private experience on X. Don't forget to like this guide if it helped, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world with confidence.